Hi, this is Jackson and Skyler's room. This is our toy room where we play with all of our toys. This is the closet. It's very big. And here's the toy chest where most of our toys. And here's something I got from a party.
Hi.
Do you want to show us around the toy room?
Okay. So here is my Barbie dream house.
Whoa! When did you get it?
Like for Christmas.
Yeah.
And here's my Barbie camper I got with my Barbie dream house.
And what's it?
And this.
Mm-hmm.
This is where I get all my Barbies and I dress them up.
What is this thing that's on?
This is my mommy's desk.
Okay, show us around all of the things.
And these are my high heels. This is my dress up area. And I have mermaid makeup.
Where did you get this mermaid
Like
makeup?
for Christmas.
Actually, it was for your birthday.
Yeah. Okay. And we also have all my horsies.
Aww.
And I can feed her. I'm just gonna feed her. Okay.
Good.
And here's all the instructions for my Legos.
Ooh.
And here are the Legos. They've all been bolted. We probably have like 27 Legos.
I think 100 million pieces.
Yeah. And this is a horsey.
Hi,
I built this tree house.
Hi, Lucy.
And so much slipping.
Hey, what's this place?
This is my painting rooms.
It looks like a paint store.
And you get like free paint for like bottle caps.
Then how do you
Paint.
make money if you give out free
Like-
paint?
They pay money and like I have this little checkerboard.
So 95.
Yeah. And then this is a little sign for paint.
Oh, why don't you turn it this way so people can
Well,
see?
it's kind of meant for this way because if people are walking, they can see.
But there's a sign right there. I know, because that's a party. So is this a castle or something?
Yeah, this is a castle I built.
How'd you build
There's
it?
a bed up here. And
How did you build it?
I built it with my brother's help.
Yep, it's a man house. I remember that. Hey, how many Legos do you think this has? 85. I think 100 million.
Look, a little pineapple.
Oh.
And we also have this tab board.
Let's
I
get
got a
all-
lion right there.
I think we should.
Okay,